Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
No, this is not just an album. This is an experience. Vybz Kartel X-rated, available worldwide on all digital platforms. Make sure you support good music. Vybz Kartel and Sharp Bass Music presents. You know the something go. Stream, view, support. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we don't need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we don't find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, what's a shape on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel have a very powerful message for the ladies following the recovery or the discovery of Khanice Jackson's body. Now, the 20-year-old accountant clerk was missing since Wednesday, March 24, viewers and subscribers. Now, viewers and subscribers, the JCF has also named an individual as a person of interest, Robert Fowler, a 50-year-old mechanic. Now, it is said that he has also been held and is in custody. Now, I'm going to see what I want. Woman them event, and then we're going to do what we're going to continue reasoning, viewers and subscribers.
Go on now, Zane. My mother grew me. Respect my father same way, I don't know, but me remember when me around 10-year-old, my father tell me say, yo, your mother cast this in a young boy. Your mother never married to me, so me nah mind no. I'm take God off a cross, say, yo, me nah make none of my youth them ever feel like how me feel. Yeah, when my father did say that to me, Zane. So what you pray now? Respect my father by the end of the day. You see me? Because I never kill mommy. Yo, oh God, man, my mother grew me. My mother tell me, say, no woman belongs to a man. You understand? And a fear vagina that, brother, you have penis. Don't kill a woman, them, brother. No, stop no, no, man. Stop killing a woman, them, man. You hurt with no, man. I see or something, man. Give woman them a blind now, man. And 9 months, then can we find a brother? Bear all much pressure in a brother. Some of we in a brother ending up go, they go breed all other woman when we woman are breed in a brother. Put woman through the pressure now much sitting in a brother woman. Yeah, we in a brother and still hold it out and stay loyal and thing in a brother. You understand me, brother? So me I try to show no say in a brother. You don't make no sense. So now I walk around and kill the woman them in a brother. A joke thing in a brother. You see me? And every man me I speak for another. Just some man out there. Just some.
To work, and her body was found in Portmore, which means that she never even up or she never made it on. I have a daughter. I have every intention of my daughter living in Jamaica. Me know say in a country in the world not completely safe. But Jesus Christ, man. This can't be it. And you know what make it worse too? This has happened and people just feel deflated, discouraged, like there's no sense that justice is possible and things are gonna work out and them are gonna find the person, and when them find the person, them are gonna get arrested and them are gonna charge him and the charge are gonna stick, and then the state are gonna have no other choice but to say guilty, Your Honor. And when the judge get the guilty verdict, the judge are gonna say body has that sense that is how it will work. Most of we, including myself, especially for people who were not connected, right? You know, big money for influence the wheels of justice. You're really just depending on the system to work. Feel like
Yes, viewers and subscribers, now self-trust is the latest juggling release from Good Production. And you know who is the leading artist on the production? Vybz Kartel with a track for the ladies, of course. Titled No One Can Stop It. Ladies, no matter follow a friend, we are in return follow another friend. Now, teacher find it again, viewers and subscribers. And what we have to talk about and point out is the fact that teacher has been dropping tracks for the ladies. And you know when him drop tracks for the ladies, well, the G them good. Once the ladies are happy and alright and in the right vibe, the G them good. Now speaking of good, Zoom, no matter what, from him a drop a juggling rhythm, him always try for at least have a Vybz Kartel track on the juggling rhythm. You know him a go Vado, I feel him link that. But for the better part, me always notice this. Vybz Kartel track on a Zoom production, a good production, always something where the fans them like. Them like the energy, them like the vibe. Now the artist who I would recommend you check out on the juggling rhythm is of course Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers. Ller, Tammy Lee, Sparta, Chanel Muir with a flow something there. Choices. Know what you do with your choices. Daddy One, Skilly Bang, Wasp. Me just say G Wiz are listening here too. Know what I mean? And also Denique, Rummy and Virgo, and a Conscience. Me no really listen to other artists them on the juggling rhythm. Truth be told, me no really listen to them. Vybz Kartel definitely a show with superb dancehall artistry. I show them say we not have to get up and talk about hardcore street content. Means say yo, gangster lyrics. We not have to do that. We can sing songs for the ladies. We're relatable. Even the G when they hear it, you say yes. Me have a cat, you know. We follow friend. You know the something about the music is relatable. The subject matter is fresh. The subject matter is current. People are gonna like music like this. But no, the teacher have its scripted viewers and subscribers. Him have the blueprint. So the teacher finds it easy to construct and song viewers and subscribers. Not just somewhere rhyming words. You have book of rhymes. It is easy to go record a track of just rhyming words. But for add storytelling, for add metaphors, for add inspiration and upliftment, for make a song and have all of these additives, and then put it out there and package it in a fun, hip and entertaining way. No, and not any artist can do that. That's why we do not compare artists to other artists. When we state something Vybz Kartel do and what some other artists cannot do, it is not for comparison. It's for an example, so we can capture the idiom and show what it is that we speak of. Big up the ladies of dancehall, because we can tell you this: the teacher sell gold with a song for the ladies. Talk to me. The teacher sell gold with a song for the ladies. So think about it. It's a subject matter that we feel like most artists should pay more attention to. Whether it be a song for the ladies, them dance, enjoy themselves, or whatever the case may be, you are an entertainer. It is your job to create entertaining music, not for we to tell you how to. It's our job to critique and tell no where we're gonna go wrong. But a full job as an entertainer to entertain the fans. So big up Vybz Kartel, big up all the artists that may continue to do it. The Khanice track every two. Khanice said, me tell him say I'm not got nobody. I'm gonna drop out lonely. And the juggling is out now. So tell me how you feel about everybody track we only hear so far. Even if it's an artist that I did not recommend. I know how you feel about the entire juggling and now everybody do panic. The fact say yo, in this day and age, dancehall is one of the only art forms that does this. Put out a rhythm and feature more than one artist on the same rhythm. You know what the problem with that though? Or what makes that problematic? If all the songs are going to sound the same. If everybody, worse if the juggling are going in a certain direction and everybody choose to speak of ladies. How will you now stand out without being a creative artist? That's why dancehall music, while still not being celebrated by local music stakeholders, I will say this: dancehall artists makes artists of dancehall industry are the way the music industry is set up. It make artists have that more creative to even stand out amongst their peers. Because if you got all feature upon the juggling rhythm, means that the whole way upon the same rhythm, the platform is basically leveled. All you have to do is have the better flow. who have the better vibe and who have the bigger fan base. Not that it's a competition, but it showcases that. You know what I mean? I'm pan juggling with him. Me that see all the artists who I have recommended, even subject matter is, you know, along the same lines, it different and the vibe different. Khanice talk about something different. Vybz Kartel talk about something different. You know the something go. You know what I mean? And that is a good look. Still see that juggling rhythm or having a rhythm feature so much different artists and not call it a remix or a feature track. This is a dancehall are the only genre of music where I keep that vibe going. We have to support it, viewers and subscribers. We produce them who constantly put out the juggling rhythm them and incorporate good talent and put them on it. You know what I mean? And then add young artists and artists that people never really know to. So that's a good look. You know what I mean? And dancehall is known for that. That's something where we build, we create it. A yard that originate. We have to proud of it. Proud of our achievements. We have to be proud of our achievements. We can't wait for other people to celebrate our achievements for us. We see them not giving a Grammy. Them not giving a Grammy category. We don't need them to tell we say dancehall inspire and affect all other genres of music. We don't need them to tell we, because we know this. We have heard artists of other genres state this. So, with that being said, we don't need them to tell we what we already know. But it's the one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you know, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. Yeah, man, move settings from I wanna need in a ladder. Well, first and foremost, drop a like and boost a share. Yes, tell a friend, tell them, sister, and them, brother, them. Check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and join the discussion. Comment section with me 24/7. Never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful after guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. We can continue reasoning via the comment section. Yeah, man, move settings from I wanna need in a ladder, and my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, wanna live, love, and prosper until we reason again.